Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Presented by
ACT FiberNet.
Powered by Nourish.
Welcome back. A claim made by Mamata Banerjee, followed by other political parties, that all the accounts of the missionaries of charity have been completely frozen, was fact-checked within 2 or 3 hours, perhaps a little longer, by the central government. Then after that, even the Teresa Trust claims that no account has been suspended at all. In that case, who jumped the gun and why? Let's find out and then debate.
For the last 71 years, Missionaries of Charity, founded by Mother Teresa, has been part of numerous charitable organizations. This organization, headquartered in Kolkata, is now at the center of a political face-off. At 3 p.m, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee tweeted, and I quote, "Shocked to hear that on Christmas, Union Ministry froze all bank accounts of Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity in India. Their 22,000 patients and employees have been left without food and medicines. While the law is paramount, humanitarian efforts must not be compromised." The facts of the case were still not clear.
Freezing account we were not hearing about. We were told or we heard from the public that some of the FCRA accounts will not be allowed to be renewed. That means some institutions will not be allowed to receive foreign money. That is the only thing which we have heard about. About freezing account, we don't know.
The MHA was quick to respond to the allegations levelled by TMC. Central government made it amply clear that MHA did not freeze any accounts and the organisation was yet to meet FCRA eligibility.
Ministry of Home Affairs late evening issued a press release stating that FCRA renewal application of Missionaries of Charity was cancelled on 25th of December, and as far as the bank accounts are concerned, they were never frozen by the ministry. And not just that, it was in fact the Missionaries of Charity who had written to the State Bank of India asking them to freeze their bank accounts because their FCRA application was actually cancelled.
A statement that was mirrored by Missionaries of Charity.
A statement issued by Missionaries of Charity 3.5 hours after Mamata Banerjee tweets clearly read that the FCRA license had not been cancelled and the organization itself asked its centers not to use the accounts to avoid any lapses.
BJP is demanding an apology from TMC.
Our statement totally fabricated and malified intention. Our party is a communal party. The issue is completely baseless, false and politically motivated. MHA ने clear कर दिया. इसका बार माफी मांगना चाहिए.
But the TMC now claims it's pressure politics. Amid the political face-off, what are the facts of the case? Was there an attempt to peddle fake news?